back to my channel, and I hope you guys missed me. And I'm back with another video. Okay, this video is all about wait. Let me show you something. I have something to show you guys.
A few moments later.
I have got this much things in just rupees 500. Nice. Yes, I am not joking. You must be thinking now कि मुझे इतनी सारी चीजें कहाँ से मिली? So I've got this from Deodap collection. You can check their Instagram page and you can also visit their site for. So basically, they have a lot of wholesale items. A lot of you if you want anything like from kitchen items to your home decor to your own personal items, like everything you're gonna find there, which in the best and affordable price. I'm gonna show you that what I've got. Which. Okay, so the first thing I have is this travel pouch, which I really wanted from a very long time. Because we travel and we want stuff to, हम चीज़ों को रख नहीं पाते, ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं कर पाते, एंड इसमें आपकी चीज़ें हमेशा ऑर्गेनाइज रहेंगी एंड इट वुड बी हेल्पफुल keep your all stuff in this. It's have here the stuff and it's have here the pockets and it also have a chain here. Very cute and it's very you can adjust in your bag. So I needed this from very long time की चीजें organize और एक ही जगह में अपना सारा stuff रखूँ. So yeah. The next product is this. Is face ice roller. Okay, so this cost me only for 31 rupees. So yeah, I needed this from a very long time. So finally I had this. So just go and get for yourself. The third thing I have is this cute Pana soap box holder. So okay. It's open like this and it's have also a sticker too, so you can stick here in the wall on the wall, like very cute. And yes, this is only for 45 rupees, so don't forget to add this in your cart. Okay, I have is wait guys, spacious organizer. You can like keep your your makeup, your skincare, your any bath product, like anything here. And it also have 2 drawers in this. And yes, this is very spacious. You can keep your makeup, your skincare, bath products, anything here in this. And guess what? This is only for 140 rupees. It's very affordable and I have found it a best organizer in the best price. So what are you waiting for? Just get it. And yeah, I'm gonna keep my makeup in this, my lipsticks and all. So yeah. Not last, I have wanted this, so इसलिए I got this. As a girl, I want to see myself and hamisha. So I got it this very cute pocket mirror. Okay, it's a very cute pocket mirror. I wanted, I wanted to keep this in my bag in my. So I've got this only for 40 rupees. So if you also wanted to keep in your bag, so you can go for it. The last thing I have got is this 3 pair of earrings. Check it out. Okay, so I've gotten this 3 pair of earrings for myself, just only for 106 rupees. So I've got this all things in just for 500 rupees. So I think it's very affordable and I've got the best products at the best price, from your personal items to your bathroom products, your organizers, everything, face rollers and everything, towel pouch. You can go and find a lot of things. You can also get a gift items, decor items, kitchen items, your cutlery. They have everything. So what you guys are waiting for? I'll go and visit their site, and you can also check their Instagram page and just visit their site and buy the products in the best price and if you came here, if you're watching this video, and of course, I'm going to buy something, of course, because you're getting the best products and the best prices. So if you want more discounts, so do not forget to use my coupon code, which is Hetal Singh. So here it is. You can go and use this coupon code, and do let me know in the comment box that what you have bought for yourself and how you're using it. And if you love the yes, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it, and I hope you're gonna have the best things and the best, products. First, go and at least visit the site and just do not add the and just buy it right now because everything is in the best price. So what are you waiting for? And do not forget to use my coupon code. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you loved it, and do not forget to comment and like this video, share with your friends and family, and do let them also know that they can get the best products in the best price, and it could be anything. So yeah, show some love. Bye bye. See you in my next video.